वेलकम टू valsquicktips&tricks YouTube कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you once again traditional and authentic recipe of our Goa, that is Patolyo or Patolios you can say, and it is in Goa. We make it on 15th August. Okay, so for this I have taken 1 cup. Now this recipe I learned from my grandmother, and this is what I have seen how she used to do. So मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन आनी येवकार म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे ऑथेंटीक आनी ट्रेडिशनल गोंयची रेसिपी जावन आसा पातोली ओ पातोळी, जी आमी 15 ऑगस्टाचेर करतात पळय ती. सो this recipe, this steamed savory, or this is called steamed rice with jaggery and all, savory steamed one, we make it on a special occasion, that is on 15th of August. Okay, so here it is. So you need basic, that is 1 cup of rice, and we have to wash this nicely and soak this for overnight or at least for 6 hours. Then we need some of this, and I will tell you what. So let's go and soak this and see you again. Also, once it is soaked, grind it to a paste, but add very little water. And here it is after grinding. Okay, so, and this is of ukde sheet, that is ukde tanu. So you check whether it is nicely. If anything is there, then again see that you grind it, but we want like this thick. Okay, so now what else you need is jaggery. So dark jaggery, light jaggery, palm jaggery or sugarcane jaggery, it is up to you. And this is 1 whole coconut. So again, if you want to use half boy, that is half coconut, then it's up to you, but I am using 1 whole coconut. Then this is like around 1 cup of jaggery, little bit of salt, and then this is our what I have grinded. And we need this leaves, Patolyos, that is turmeric leaves, हळदीची पानां. सो हळदीची पानां तुमची जितली तुमी करूंक सोदता तितली तुमी घेयात, बरे भशेन धुयात, तेका पुसात आनी मागीर रेडी करात करपाक. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आमी आतां हें गोड आनी चून मेल्ट करून घेवया. सो वील मेल्ट दिस जॅगरी and coconut, sorry. Okay, so this is my steamer. Okay, now let's melt this too. So 1 tablespoon of ghee. We will add our jaggery to this, and we'll melt this. And then add a coconut. Now if you want to add some additional flavors like cardamom powder or til, that is all up to you. We'll add a coconut also, so they put that together. So this is the only filling what I am going to add. You can add some salt also to this, little bit. So this is my filling, and what I am going to add, but you can make in different ways. And add salt also, a pinch of salt. Now salt you can add while grinding, or you can add now. But see that you mix this. See how I have grinded. It's not wet. Okay, so we want like this only. सो आदी आमी कितें करताली घुणसुण्याचेर आमी सुकें वांट्टाली. आतां मिक्सरार वांटूं येता बट मातशें स्लोली वांटचें पडटा. ओके, चॅक करात मीठ आनी जितलें जाय तितलें घालात. So now you can take spoon or you can put it in hand. So you have to see that it is very thin layer, because if you put thick then it will become thick. So we used to never do with spoon and all. It's always like with our hand. All we used to sit together and do. But yeah, you can do with spoon too. So put all this like this, and you can take little bit of water if you want while doing like this. And then we add our filling. Keep the steamer ready, and then you see that it is nicely stick to each other. So this is way you have to make. So one more I'll show you. So take this and I'm taking little bit of water so it becomes easy. So this is the traditional and olden ways of making patolyos are like this only. The Goan rice, the boiled rice, whichever it is, you take it, soak it, grind it to a thick paste with less water and do this way. So it is no much ingredients and no more hassle to do this. And main the flavor is of this turmeric leaf, which gives it the flavor. Now if anybody wants thick, then you can apply thick wala paste to this. But if you want very thin coating, then this is it. Shape also is your how you want. So hope you all will do this. I'm going to do the remaining. Okay. It will become little bit messy, but it's okay. So now the steamer is very hot and we will steam this for 15 minutes till our patolyos are nicely done. Okay. "15 minutes on high flame." "15 minutes." And for those the leaves when you get long, so what you can do, you can cut them into half like this, how I've cut, and then do the filling. Okay. So if you don't want full one, then cut this tip and cut this, then make half of this and then cut in between like this. Exact after 15 minutes my patolyos are done. Okay, it's very hot, so I cannot show you now. Let it get cooled down and I will show you how it is done. It's cooked. You can see this. Okay, it's cooked. So let it cool down, then I will open and show you. So it is nicely cooked. I will put the second slot. So these are done, and here is another lot again for 15 minutes. You can add more, but this is enough for 3 people. So here it is. Our Goan Patolyos are ready. So quick and easy, nicely cooked. So hope you all will enjoy. This is a cute tiny one, but you can make big one if you have big coffer or big steamer. So however you want, you make this and enjoy. And I will show you. The feeling is yum. Try and make it perfect and enjoy. Simple with very few ingredients, whichever is available in your kitchen. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांनी आवडटले, तुमी करून खातले. आयज आमच्या इंडिपेंडन्स डे आहा. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं. Happy Independence Day, and here it is, our Goan traditional and authentic Goan Patolyos, which we make it on 15th August to celebrate our Independence Day. At least in our home we used to do this, and we just love it. So मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करून खातले ह्या स्वतंत्र दिसाक आनी एन्जॉय करतले आमच्यो गोंयच्यो पातोळ्यो.